Hey there, have you found that sometimes when you work on your MacBook, you may have an open window here, and because of the order you opened those windows, the next window you need is all the way over there, and you have to keep going back and forth between the two. Well, thankfully, there's a quick fix for this, and it starts with 3 fingers. What you need to do is grab your 3 fingers and swipe up on the touchpad. Now at the top, you'll see these desktops, and let's say we want the notes next to the MLS. All we do is press and hold and drag and drop. Click in an empty space. We'll go across, and now you can see the MLS is next to the notes. So no more having to jump to the other side of the world. Hope that's been useful, and if it has, please give the video a quick thumbs up, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.